Hi there, gorgeous! If you have not heard, it is Save Money September, where every video coming out the entire month is drugstore themed. So if you'd like to be notified of new videos in the future, please subscribe. And thank you so much in advance if you do. Today I'm sharing the top 5 drugstore eye creams under $20 that actually work. I've received this question from many of you in the past. I've seen it in comments under past videos asking, is there anything in the drugstore that actually works just as well as that $70, $120, $300 eye cream? And the answer is yes. It all boils down to the ingredients. That was what I discovered when I started researching eye creams on my spare time and learning about the different eye concerns that a lot of women have and then how to combat them with the right ingredients. So a lot of research went into making this video, a lot of testing. I've been testing these eye creams out over the past 2 months, so I feel like I can speak intelligently about them and tell you more about them. If you've been looking for a video like this, you're going to love this one. Through the course of my research for this video, I discovered that there are generally about 3 different under eye concerns that most women have. And these include dark circles, discoloration, puffiness, under eye bags, and then crow's feet, fine lines, wrinkles, etc., etc. So we'll go through each of these and I'll describe the different ingredients that are used to combat each of those concerns and then give you recommendations based off of the 5 eye creams that I have been using to get rid of those small issues. We'll begin with dark circles. This generally occurs under the eyes due to an excess pigmentation of the skin in that area of the face. And to help combat this, you want to look for skin brightening ingredients, and these include things like kojic acid, licorice root, or vitamin C. Now you can also have dark circles due to loss of volume, which occurs with age. Gotta love it. So in that instance, you want to look for eye creams that contain things like hyaluronic acid and glycerin to help plump the skin under the eyes. So a few recommendations I have for you for those issues right there is one from CeraVe. This is their eye repair cream. This contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It's also excellent not only for reducing the appearance of dark circles under the eyes, but also in reducing puffiness under the eyes. And what I love about this is that it's such a soft cream. You can wear it under makeup and it doesn't affect the wear of the concealer at all. And you can wear it at night too. It's not thick and heavy like some of your traditional eye creams are. Plus it just feels good to apply. It's very silky, soft, and smooth, dries quickly, and it does add a brightness under the eyes with extended use. The more you use it, the more you'll see results with it. So highly recommend this one. I've been most impressed by it. Another eye cream you can try to combat those issues is from the Cetaphil line, and this is their Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. This contains hyaluronic acid and licorice root, so it's great for dark circles and plumping the under eye area. This one adds a great level of hydration to the under eye area, and you can feel it the second that you apply it. It blends in rather easily, dries fast, it doesn't feel greasy under the eyes at all either. One thing I do want to notate to you about this one though, for me personally, is I found I could not wear it under makeup. I really struggled to get concealer to apply evenly over the top of it, and it started to flake around. So this is not one that I was wearing during the day. It was one I was wearing more so at night. I'm not saying it's going to do that for everybody, but I wanted to make you aware of it. Other than that flaw, I felt like this provided a great level of hydration, brightening and smoothing properties, and another excellent one to try under $20. Now, when we're talking about the signs of aging, fine lines, crow's feet, wrinkles, I know it sucks, but we all have to go through it. Anyway, you want to look for creams that contain antioxidants like green tea, vitamin C. Peptides are extremely important, and we cannot forget retinol. Retinol is so important because it helps to increase cell turnover and stimulate collagen production, which is essential when it comes to reversing the signs of aging, especially under the eyes. And I do have 3 recommendations for you along those lines, and the first one I'll share with you is from Garnier's line. And this is their Ultra Lift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Eye Cream. This contains a myriad of products that are great for the under eye area, including retinol, rice peptides, caffeine, and an antioxidant complex with vitamin A. The only thing I do not like about this one personally is that it comes in a jar. I typically prefer for my eye creams to be in more of a squeeze tube, but regardless. This is an excellent moisturizer for the under eye area. For me, it's a little too thick and heavy to use under makeup. You can use it under makeup, but you have to apply a smaller amount. And I've done it like that and it works really well. But this is one that I generally have been using more so at nighttime because I really like to just slather it on. And it's a thick, rich, lovely cream. You can feel your under eye area in the morning. It just feels more hydrated after using this product. So absolutely one that I would recommend to you. Another one that I have been loving is one that you can find at Target. I had never heard of this brand before making this video, but they had really high reviews. And this is from Hada Labo Tokyo. It's their age correcting eye cream. It contains hyaluronic acid, collagen, and caffeine. This provides deep hydration to the skin, and they promise on the package with this one that you will see results with it in 3 weeks, and I can absolutely verify that to you. There was a period of time when I was testing this out over the past couple months where I just used this one for 3 weeks exclusively, and I could tell my under eye area was improving. And if you're going to ask me which one was my favorite out of all of these, I would probably have to say this one. I love this stuff. And it's very lightweight. It blends in beautifully. You can wear it under makeup with no problem. You can wear it by itself at night. Either way, love. And the last one I have to share with you for anti-aging is from Rox's line, and this is their Retinol Correction Eye Cream. This contains that magical ingredient retinol for anti-aging, and it promises to reduce the appearance of crow's feet within 4 weeks and overall fine lines within 12 weeks. But it also says that it will help to combat dark circles and puffiness. So you're getting all 3 eye concerns addressed in this one little tube. Now, this formula is not thick, but it's not thin. It's middle range. And when you apply it onto the skin, it does take a little bit of time to dry. You may notice that the skin feels tacky even after about 10 minutes with this one, but for me, that just tells me that it's working. So it does apply well under makeup. If you do use a product that contains retinol during the day, make sure you're applying a sunscreen over the top of 15 or higher. Retinol and sun exposure, they don't go together so well, so just keep that in mind. With this one, it does take a little bit longer to see results. They tell you you'll see results within 4 weeks in terms of puffiness and crow's feet, and then 12 weeks for overall wrinkles. So I haven't tested it for 12 weeks, I'll be honest with you, but I have tested it for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I've already noticed a tremendous difference in my under eye area with this one. So I really love it. And something I want to express to you also is that even if you're in your early 20s and you're watching this video and you're like, I don't need that yet. Yes, you do. The earlier you use retinol containing products on your eyes, the better you're going to age over time. So don't wait to pick up a product like this until you're in your 40s thinking, oh, well, you know, I can get away without it. It's better to start early, especially with products like this, to maintain a youthful appearance overall, if that's what you want. I mean, that's what we all want, right? Yeah. Out of all of the eye creams I shared with you here today, trust me, I love each and every single one of these, which is why I'm sharing them with you here in the video, but I'm sure someone's going to ask me, which ones were your favorite? I honestly would have to tell you the Hada Labo Tokyo one. This is just so fabulous. It's been my go-to now for a while. And then absolutely the Rock Under Eye Cream. This was another one that just blew me out of the water and I've really enjoyed using. But again, I love every single one of these. So it's really hard for me to even tell you that those were my top 2 favorites. If you're looking for a new eye cream to try, give any one of these a shot, and I know that you will be extremely impressed with the results. And if you're interested in any of these, I'll have them listed and linked below for you. I purchased all of them on Amazon, actually, and it was rather inexpensive to do so. I'm sure you can find them in drugstores, Walmart stores, etc. if you want to save a little bit more money. But if you're one who's conscientious of time and all that and not going to stores, Amazon. Amazon. What did we do before Amazon? Let me know your favorite drugstore eye cream under $20. If you have one that I did not share here today, would love to hear your feedback and your results on this topic also. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and I look forward to seeing you again soon for another video in Save Money September.